Everyone thinks the best-selling dash cam is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam caught my attention right away, especially with its impressive 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities. At $99.99, it's positioned as a mid-range option, but honestly, if you're looking for reliable footage from both ends of your vehicle, this is worth a serious look. Here's the thing, the 4K resolution means you can actually zoom in and identify a face from 30 feet away, which is crucial if something happens on the road. Plus, the dual-channel recording gives you peace of mind that you're covered front and rear. It also features a Sony SDARVIS2 sensor for great low-light performance, which matters if you drive at night. The 150 degrees ultra-wide angle ensures you capture more of the scene, which helps in case of accidents. With over 12,400 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, many users are happy with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the initial setup being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it configured, it runs smoothly and manages to deliver great quality footage consistently. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward dash cam that offers excellent video quality without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for advanced features like cabin recording, but honestly, for the price, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if the initial setup frustration bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, FAIMEE 4K plus 2K plus 2K dash cam. Next up is the FAIMEE 4K plus 2K plus 2K dash cam, which offers a unique triple recording setup at a price of $87.20. Right off the bat, I was intrigued by its ability to capture 4K front footage while also recording in 2K for the interior and rear. If you want full coverage, this one deserves your attention. The 4K front camera provides ultra-crisp images, while the 2K interior and rear cameras cover all angles, which is essential for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting to document their trips. Plus, the 170 degrees front lens minimizes blind spots and enhances safety. It also features night vision, which is a game changer for night driving. With a 4.6-star rating from 755 users, it's clear that this dash cam is well received. However, a few users mentioned concerns about customer support not being immediate. Here's the thing, while that can be annoying, the dash cam itself functions flawlessly, and many users rave about its performance. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive dash cam setup at an affordable price. Skip this one if you need superior customer service responsiveness, but for the value, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for all-around protection. Product number 3, REDTIGR F17 4K dash cam. Now let's talk about the REDTIGR F17, priced at $142.48. This model caught my eye for its advanced SDARVIS2 IMX675 sensor, which means you'll get incredible clarity in low-light conditions. If you're serious about capturing every detail, this is worth considering. That's perfect if you want to document everything from accidents to road trips. The upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows for speedy video transfers, which is super convenient if you're always on the go. Plus, the dual parking monitor modes give extra protection when your car is parked, ensuring you won't miss any incidents. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 2,700 reviews, it has a solid reputation. However, some users mention that the app can be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the features it offers make it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you prioritize video quality and low-light performance. Skip this if you want something more user-friendly right out of the box, but if you can look past that, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for user experience, the next product has some standout features that might just impress you. Product number 4, Rove R3 Dash Cam. Next, we have the Rove R3, priced at $151.99. This one has a stunning 3 IPS touchscreen that makes it super user-friendly. Honestly, I loved how intuitive the controls are, and if you want a dash cam that feels modern, this is it. The R3 offers a 1440p front camera alongside two 1080p cameras for the rear and cabin. The built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, and the dual-band Wi-Fi allows for fast video transfers of up to 30 Mbps+. It comes with a time-lapse feature that's perfect for monitoring your parking situation. And with a 4.4-star rating from 2,300 users, it's clear why many are fans. However, one downside is that the memory card isn't included, which is a bit of a bummer. But here's the thing, it supports up to 512 GB, so once you get that sorted, you won't have to worry about running out of space. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a user-friendly experience with high-quality recording. Skip this if you want an out-of-the-box solution, but honestly, once you set it up, it's fantastic. Lastly, if you want a more budget-friendly option that still delivers impressive performance, stay tuned for the final product. Product number 5. IIWEY N5 4-channel dash cam. Finally, we have the IIWEY N5, which is priced at $80.72. This model is intriguing because it offers a 360 degrees view, yes, you heard that right. Equipped with 1080p cameras for the front, rear, and sides, it ensures that you're covered from all angles. It also features a built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi which allows for quick video management through an app, making it easy to share footage. With over 3,100 reviews and a solid 4.4-star rating, it's clear that this dash cam is a favorite for those wanting complete coverage. However, a few users pointed out that it lacks GPS tracking, which could be a deal-breaker for some. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize all-around coverage and don't mind missing out on GPS, this might be the perfect fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want maximum coverage on a budget. Skip this if GPS tracking is a must for you. But if you're okay without it, this cam offers great value for your money. So to wrap things up, we have the Rove R2 4K for solid front and rear coverage, the FAIME for its triple recording advantage, the REDTIGR for low-light performance, the Rove R3 for its user-friendly experience, and the IIWEY N5 for budget-conscious buyers wanting 360 degrees coverage. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your needs best.